Hey guys, this is Kevin over at JazTime.com. JazTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so that customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online, and if you want to know the price, simply click on the links in the description below. If you enjoy our videos, we would greatly appreciate it if you would buy a watch from JazTime.com once in a while. Okay, today we're going to be reviewing the Rolex Datejust 31. The reference number for this model is the 178240. We'll be going over the dial, bezel, case, crown, bracelet, clasp, and we'll talk about the movement towards the end of the video. So for the dial, we have the basic Datejust dial, which is the hour markers with the Rolex crown logo at the 12 o'clock position, date window at the 3 o'clock position with a cyclops lens on top of that sapphire crystal for easier viewing and magnification of that date. Specifically for the hour markers, we have index hour markers that are fashioned in 18 karat white gold to prevent any tarnishing. Same could be said as about the hands as well. The hour and the minute hand are luminescent on the tips, which allows for legibility at night, or readability at night, as the hands and the hour markers will glow in the dark for up to 8 hours. The hour markers, the dial configuration I have is the index hour markers with the pink dial. If you're not interested in the pink dial, well, I've got good news for you. The Datejust is a just watch, so it comes in numerous different configurations. Specifically, if you're not looking for the index hour markers, you want Roman numerals instead, well, you can get either the Roman numerals or the index hour markers in a silver, white, pink, black, or blue colored dials. And if not, we actually, here at JazTime, we do custom dials and custom bezels for this specific Datejust model, mainly because it is just a very, very basic Datejust model. And we'll have links in the description below for that to our custom category as well, where we do diamond bezels and diamond hour marker dials with mother of pearl, meteorite, or any other color you're looking for. Besides that, last thing to mention is at the very outer edge of the dial, we have the Roman numerals printed on behind each hour marker as well. Moving on to the bezel now. The bezel is just a very simple domed bezel, and that's nicely shined, and that matches with the lugs of the watch. You can see nicely high polished on the tops of the lugs and the bottom of the lugs, giving an overall nicer look to the face of the watch, as it really encapsulates that dial with a nice shine overall. The case size as we move on is a 31 millimeter case size. So 31 millimeters is from my index finger to my thumb here. That's 31 millimeters in diameter. And it's made out of Rolex's 904L steel, which is an in-house made steel made by Rolex that has additional corrosion resistance and extra shine to it. Very beautiful high polish on the side of the case that matches with the bracelet of the watch. Profile not too high, will fit under suit cuffs, dress cuffs very nicely. The other side of the bracelet, same patterning of the high polish to the bracelet. Rolex crown logo on the crown itself there. As we move on to the crown now, we're going to be looking at the crown functions, which is, first of all, the crown is a screw down twin lock double waterproofness system that unwinds counterclockwise as shown. In the standard position of the watch, this is where you can wind the watch. 15 to 20 winds is all you need to get the watch started once more. Simply tugging out the crown to the next position will let you adjust the date instantaneously as shown. You can see as I move counterclockwise how easy it is to adjust that date. Pulling out the crown to the final position, keep your eye on the seconds hand, as that will stop the seconds hand, allowing for precise time settings such as to an atomic clock online. You can set it down to the exact seconds while also being able to adjust the hands bidirectionally and set the time however you like. Pressing the crown back in will start that second time once more, and always make sure to screw the crown nice and tight in against the case, as you want to keep this watch water resistance for 100 meters or 330 feet. Moving on to the bracelet now. The bracelet is an Oyster style bracelet, which is a sportier style of bracelet for Rolex pieces, typically seen in like the Submariner, Deep Seas and such. But here it is on the Datejust, and it's beautiful with this high polish down the center of the three-piece links being contrasted by a satin finish outer of the three-piece links. It really brings more of that shine out on that bracelet. That pattern of the high polish and satin finish goes through the clasp and onto the other side of the bracelet as well. As we move on to the clasp is just a very simple folding oyster clasp. It opens up as so, and revealing this nicely high polished clasp blades with the Rolex name embossed on there. So once again, that's how the clasp looks closed up. Alright, moving on to the movement now. The movement is housed in a simple oyster case backing. The movement is in-house made by Rolex. It's a perpetual mechanical self-winding movement. It's their in-house made 22-35 caliber movement. It has a precision of -2 + 2 seconds a day with the functions of the hour, minute, and seconds hand with instantaneous changing of the date and stopping of the seconds hand for precise time settings, such as I mentioned with the crown functions that I've shown you. The power reserve of this watch is 48 hours, meaning you can put this watch down on a Friday evening, pick it back up on a Sunday afternoon. It'll be keeping time just fine. Now let me actually go ahead and show you this watch on my wrist now. So if you locate that folding Oyster, open it up and lock that in. One thing to mention, I do have an average man size wrist, which is a 7-inch wrist. You can still see a little bit of room there as the bracelet is a 7.5 standard. This, look at that dial, very beautiful pink dial. Index hour markers make it nice and easy to read. Nice shine throughout the whole bracelet in comparison with the case as well. If you're interested in this, model or any other model for the lowest possible price, check out our website at JazTime.com. We have the lowest prices guaranteed. We offer a 1-year warranty. And if you like the video, please like, comment, subscribe below. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you guys soon.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to Model as seen in video, click on it and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at JazTime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazTime, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.